Two giants of online payments, PayPal versus Authorize.net. One big question, which one really delivers? On the left, PayPal, trusted payments in 200 plus countries. And on the right, Authorize.net, Visa's enterprise-grade gateway. Let's skip the buzzwords and see how they really stack up. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll know exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Before we jump in, check out this mind map. We'll be comparing PayPal and Authorize.net on these key things: pricing and fees, global reach, security and fraud protection, ease of use and integration, support and service, and recurring billing and subscriptions. You'd be surprised where each one actually shines. So let's get into it. First up, let's talk money, pricing and fees. PayPal, super simple. No monthly fee for a standard account, and honestly, love that you get competitive rates for microtransactions, like if you're selling those $5 ebooks or whatever. Straightforward per transaction fees, but heads up, if you're working internationally, those conversion fees do sneak in and chargebacks can sting. The advanced Pro plan is pricier too, but most folks stick to the basics. Now, Authorize.net is like the opposite. You've got transparent monthly pricing, and for high-volume sellers, those fees can actually be lower overall. No setup fee for their gateway, which is great, but yeah, that $25 monthly charge will catch you if you're not just using their all-in-one plan. Also, if you're hoping for micropayment rates, that's not happening here. So, for most people, it's PayPal winning this round. Cheaper and simpler, especially if you're just starting out. Next, let's talk about going global. PayPal's everywhere, literally over 200 countries, and it handles like 25 currencies. Anyone, anywhere, probably trusts PayPal with their money. Only thing is, international fees again. Yeah, they exist, so just watch out for those. Authorize.net, on the other hand, keeps things focused. Strong presence in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and parts of the EU. And sure, it's backed by Visa, so it's definitely no slouch. But you're not going to get that worldwide reach. Big win for PayPal if you're international or want to be. All right, let's talk security and fraud protection. Kind of a big deal, right? PayPal keeps it tight with industry-standard tools and seller protection, which, if you've ever dealt with shady buyers, is your best friend. But if you want deeper controls, you'll need to pony up for their Pro plan or dig into APIs, which isn't super beginner-friendly. Authorize.net, though, these guys go all out. They've got this fancy advanced fraud detection suite, loads of customizable settings, and even dedicated merchant support. Only downside, setup might make your brain hurt if you're not techie. But still, Authorize.net takes the crown for pure security muscle here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know that PayPal processes over $1 trillion in payment volume per year? That's just wild. Now, let's look at ease of use and integration. PayPal is honestly a breeze. Plug it in, set it up, and you're taking payments. Onboarding is quick, and getting your money is almost instant into your PayPal account. Customizing things can get technical, sure, but most folks don't even need to go there. Then you've got Authorize.net. It's the developer's friend, with strong APIs if you want to do some next-level stuff. Plus, it works for online, in-person, mobile, you name it. But you might need a separate merchant account, and some setup is, let's say, not for the faint of heart. So for sheer simplicity, PayPal snags this one. All right, how about support and service? PayPal's got a massive help center and forums, so if you love reading articles or asking the community, you're all set. Phone support, though, it's kind of limited. Meanwhile, Authorize.net really steps it up. 24/7 phone and email support, actual humans, and dedicated managers if you're a merchant. It can depend on your plan, but the direct access is hard to beat. Yeah, Authorize.net wins here, by a mile. Last but not least, let's hit recurring billing and subscriptions. Both actually do really well here. PayPal makes subscriptions easy to set up. It's in pretty much all their business plans, but if you want fancy features like add-ons or trial periods, you'll end up paying more. Authorize.net, tons of power for subscriptions, tons of customization, but you do need a merchant account to unlock the fancy stuff. Honestly, this one's a tie. It's really down to what your business needs. Now let's take a quick look at how these two stack up side by side on all those categories. You can really see where each one pulls ahead, and where it just depends on what you need. So, what's the verdict? If you're a startup, a small business, or you're all about selling to folks around the world, PayPal really makes sense. It's easy, trusted, and everywhere. But if you're running a bigger operation and you want all that enterprise-level security and support, Authorize.net is kind of a powerhouse. Both have their sweet spots. If you're still on the fence, here's my tip. Try a demo account on each and see which one feels right for you. And don't forget to stick around. I've got a ton more payment gateway breakdowns coming.